And how are you? I hope you are fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is very interesting and very informative because my topic is all about most extreme weathers and their conditions. So today we discuss about the extreme weather and their conditions. Example of extreme weather and climate events includes but are not limited to heat waves, cold waves, heavy prescriptions throughout the tornadoes and the tropical cyclone. The adverse impact of extreme weather and climate events are amplified by their increased intensity, duration, and spatial extent. So you can see the extreme weather and the World Meteorological Organization and the extreme weather. So I gonna scroll down and you can see extreme weather and climate change. We're gonna click on this website, which is org.com website. One of the most visible consequences of the warming world in an increase in the intensity and the frequency of extreme weather events, and natural climate assistance finds that the number of heat waves, heavy downpours, and major hurricanes has increased in the United States, and the strength of these events has increased to a measure of the economic impact of extreme weather is the increasing number of a $1 billion disaster. So you can see the economic impact of extreme weather in the increasing number of $1 billion disaster, which is shown below. The map shows all types of weather disasters, some of which are known to be the influenced by climate changes, floods, tropical storms, and some of which are climate influence in uncertainties. So event per year, you can see an event by type. You can see click on any circle to learn about one of the $1 billion weather event, or any state to learn about $1 billion uh, droughts. So you can see the extreme heat and extreme prescription. So I can click on the back. I'm gonna click on this website, which is the name of extreme weather. Example of extreme weather and climate events include but are not limited to heat waves, cold waves, heavy prescriptions, tough tornadoes, and the tropical cyclone. Human induced climate change beyond natural climate variability, including more frequented and intense extreme event, has caused by different things and impacts. Natural climate variability includes the EI, and the phenomenon can result in extreme weather and climate impact, but in climate change is leading to change in the frequency, intensity, spatial, extended duration, and sometimes of weather and climate extreme. So I'm gonna click on the back. Click on the picture images, so you can see the different types of climates and the weather. So these pictures you can see on your screen. I'm gonna click on this picture. So I'm gonna click on back. You can see what are the four types of main extreme weather. So, which is heat waves, freezes, heavy downpours, tornadoes, tropical cyclones, and floods. So, I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.